What's going on, it's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So here in the United Kingdom, it starts off at £1,249 and that'll get you 256 gigabytes of storage. But you can spec this to having 1 terabyte of internal storage along with 12 gigabytes of RAM for £1,549. That pricing structure pretty much remains the same if you are in the United States, with it starting off at $1,299, with the 1 terabyte model costing $1,699. It's available in up to 7 different colours, from titanium green, blue, orange, violet, yellow, black and grey. But enough talking, let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with the S24 Ultra. So if we take a look to the back of the box, you'll find some pull tabs on the top and bottom, and pulling on these, lifting the lid, reveals the device sat atop. Now placing this to a side, we get our first look at the included accessories found in the lid. And the first thing you'll find is our USB-C to USB-C cable, which will be used to charge and sync across any data. You'll also find further details on your Samsung warranty, along with some health and safety and regulatory details. And placing that to a side, as standard, you get your SIM card ejection tool. And that's pretty much all that comes with the device. And talking about the device, let's take a look at that. So I must admit, I like the design of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I like the fact that we do not have any curved edges on this smartphone, as it just feels much better in the hand. And the one thing which shouldn't come as any surprise is the rails on this smartphone feel very similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which also has a titanium frame. So of course expect a number of different videos on this smartphone and other competing devices, be it testing the cameras or comparing its performance and charge times. So once again, if you are new around here then be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell icon to be notified when new videos go live. If you have any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, or if there is anything that you would like to see further tested on the S24 Ultra, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can follow me on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.